Today, it's early in the morning. I'm gonna surprise the family with a delicious breakfast. We got all this stuff going here for a gigantic omelet I'm making. I'm trying to be quiet so everybody don't wake up. Got some rice, pepper, bacon, some sage sausage.
Now, today.
It's easy insane chef.
And I figure because it's asparagus time of year, might as well throw some asparagus off in this omelet. Thinking I'm gonna put some Havarti on this thing. It'll be good with all these vegetables. Oh yeah, look at that in there. Let's stick this on the broiler for a minute. There we go, up underneath the broiler there, yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that egg pie right there. It's gonna be delicious. Alright, now let's finish this breakfast off with some New Orleans blend community coffee. I can't think of a better way to start my day. Oh yeah, there's that melting cheese coming out of that beautiful ass omelet. Hell yeah. So just get up one morning before you take a shower or anything. Just make breakfast and coffee for your family and they will love you forever. Motherfuckers have a good morning.